Hey there, Viral Hawks family. Are you ready to plunge into the world of mind-blowing tech? Today, we're exploring some of the wildest inventions that are taking the scene by storm. So go ahead, smash that subscribe button and ring the bell. You won't want to miss what's coming next. Buckle up, and let's leap into the future together. Remember Captain America's indestructible shield? Well, it's got a challenger now. Building a waterway like this typically takes a month, but with this inflatable fabric formwork, it's done in just 2 days. Simply puff it up like a balloon and fill it with concrete. Gear up to shred some snow with the Snejik City Snow Bike. With snowmobile suspension, it rockets up to 44 miles per hour and can go 6 miles, making it perfect for all your winter thrills. Hang on tight! This smart, transparent, self-driving taxi knows your name, keeps you hidden, and connects to all your interests. It even projects info on the doors. Welcome to the future. Get ready for your next ride in the U-Miles, the world's first air taxi featuring fly-free tech. It's all set to soar in new space, safe, sleek, and sustainable. The InvoFlex is the first pedal-assist electric snow bike. With its modular design, you can easily switch it to flex overland, giving you 2 awesome rides in one. Pay just $2,000 once, and let the water and your mattress pad do the rest. Enjoy the perfect temperature, sleep tracking, and a gentle buzz to wake you up. Get ready for a sleep experience like no other. Picture this, cruising down the highway while charging as you go. Yep, it's real. Elon Road is the future, no question. Introducing the O'Hara Lava, the ultimate all-terrain vehicle for Antarctic explorers. Weighing in at just 9,920 pounds and stretching 26 feet long, it's equipped with a powerful 50 horsepower engine designed to conquer even the harshest conditions. Get ready for the ultimate comfort upgrade. This wheelchair gives you the freedom to switch between vertical and horizontal positions, lifting you up to 34 inches to keep you dry and comfy, even in puddles. Meet Verdi, the star of the ES1. It's like ChatGPT, but in real life. In just 5 hours, this genius mastered lawn mowing like a pro. Can't wait to see what epic skills it tackles next. Get ready for endless concerts featuring high-tech musicians, because the Xiaomi humanoid robot has mastered the drums. Golf never stops, and thankfully, this little buddy is your lightning-fast ball-fetching sidekick. Ready to take a dip in paradise? Welcome to the Yona Beach Club, a chill floating getaway with everything your soul craves, right in the middle of the sea. This futuristic ride has your back when it's time to haul the boat, smooth and easy every time. Imagine skiing without the hassle of climbing slopes. Just let the Skyzy give you a push. This buddy is the future of skiing. In China, Hi robots are now refueling cars, and they're showing a level of care that puts some people to shame. Props to that. Forget everything you thought you knew about snow sports. The Snow Electric Bike is a total game changer. Zoom through the snow at a thrilling 45 miles per hour and cruise for 30 miles on just one charge. It's pure power and endless fun. Goodbye is like having your very own kitchen robot army. These modular machines can whip up 150 meals per hour and an astonishing 3,000 meals a day. They take care of everything, all while slashing labor costs by an incredible 80%. After 3 years of innovation, Tyler has redefined e-mobility, slashing recharge costs by 80%. Just park, pop the kickstand into place, and you're set. It's that easy. Introducing the Mercedes-Benz Vision. After a revolutionary ride powered by plant-based materials, forget traditional doors. This beauty opens from the sides and even reads your mood to adapt to your needs. And those wheels? They move sideways for next-level maneuverability. Welcome to the future. Watching the all-console section trimmer operate so smoothly is pure bliss. It's an absolute delight to see it in action. I'm speechless. Imagine controlling your car's hydraulics right from your phone. Now that's power at your fingertips. The ungoverned Vendetta off-road electric board is an absolute beast. Get ready for a thrilling ride at a speedy 31 miles per hour. The luxurious Lotus Emaya lets you control your panorama with a simple touch. Go for full or partial shade with just a tap. Bet you've never seen a bike this tiny. Seriously, I doubt a smaller one even exists. Plus, it's perfect for outdoor adventures. This camping light runs on a powerful 4,000 mAh lithium battery and comes with a solar panel, making it completely cordless. With 4 dope lighting modes, you'll always have the perfect vibes for any adventure. Meet the Alpaca One, your ultimate cargo box. It folds in a flash, holds up to 44 pounds, and fits on any bike. Popping open effortlessly, this umbrella has you covered rain or shine, providing protection for the entire crew. Introducing the Follow 200, your hands-free hauler that trails behind and carries up to 220 pounds, effortlessly gliding through obstacles like a pro. I'm not saying it's a conspiracy, but these flying saucer drones might just be our backstage pass to meeting aliens face to face. That was an absolutely insane, right? Hit up the comments and share your answer to this crucial question. If you could only keep one high-tech device for the rest of your life, what would it be? Don't forget to smash that like button, and we'll catch you later.